for putting the preheater in, we're leaving the zip ties in place. Once the preheater is in, you'll probably need to remove the zip ties in order to get your inlet and outlet holes to line up. It is a tight fit, but it does go in. You're going to need help. Get the hood laying on its side like this. When I laid it down, I just opened the door that's down so that it doesn't dent or scratch anything. And I guess just watch our motions as we put it in. It has to go in at an angle. There it is. Once it's in, it's equally difficult to remove. You have to have two people.
So you had the V channels were on the bottom.
The V channels were on the bottom, correct? Yep. And now that it's there, see, like I said, now that the preheater's in, we're likely going to have to remove the zip ties to get everything to line up in the holes. So
Okay.
that's that.
Fittings are in the back, and those fittings are not meant to come through
The
the
fittings
holes.
are not meant to come through these holes. These welded female fittings are not supposed to come through those holes.
You put the nipples through there.
You put the nipples through there, yep.
All right.
Another last thought is when it's properly installed, the tray of the preheater needs to be slid all the way back. Those V's of the preheater need to be touching the back wall of the hood on the inside.
And that's so the condensation will fall into the
So the
drain.
condensation falls into the drain and doesn't drip into your flue pan.
All right. Thank you.
Mhm.